English and Spanish Cafe with Chris and Isabella.
You walk into a restaurant in Spain. The waiter walks over, smiles at you, and says something in Spanish. Your brain completely freezes. You look down at the menu, you point at something random. You have no idea what is coming to your table. That moment right there is exactly why we made this episode. Today, you are going to learn the exact phrases you need to walk into any Spanish restaurant and order your food with confidence. Simple words, short sentences, real Spanish that actually works.
And before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome to English and Spanish Cafe. We teach you real, everyday Spanish in the simplest way possible. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a lesson. It is free, and it truly helps us keep going.
We would love to have you here every single week. Now, let us get into it.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me today is my co-host, joining us all the way from Spain.
Hola, everyone. I am so happy to be here for this one. Food is a very big part of Spanish culture. So learning how to order in Spanish is not just useful. It is actually a way to connect with people on a deeper level.
Today we are keeping things very simple. This episode is designed for A1 and A2 learners. That means total beginners and early beginners. Every phrase today is short, easy to say, and easy to remember.
No complicated grammar today. No long sentences, just simple, useful Spanish that you can start using right away.
You just walked in. Someone at the door looks at you. This is the very first thing you say.
Una mesa, por favor.
A table, please. That is it.
Una means one. Mesa means table. Por favor means
Please. 3 small words, and you are already inside.
Repeat after me. Una mesa, por favor. Una mesa, por favor.
Perfect. Short, easy, and it works every single time.
You are sitting down. No menu yet. What do you say?
La carta, por favor. The menu, please. La carta means the menu. You can just say those 3 words and the waiter will bring it right over.
Repeat. La carta, por favor. La carta, por favor.
Very simple, very polite, and por favor at the end always makes a great impression.
You open the menu, everything is in Spanish. You see a word you do not recognize. What do you ask?
¿Qué es esto? What is this? ¿Qué means what? Es means is. Esto means this. So you point at the menu and say, ¿Qué es esto? And the waiter will explain it to you.
Repeat this one. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto?
This is a great beginner phrase because it works in any situation, not just restaurants. Anytime you see something and do not know what it is, just say, ¿Qué es esto?
You see something that looks delicious. You do not know the name. That is completely okay. Just point and say this.
Quiero esto. I want this. Quiero means I want. Esto means this. It is the easiest way to order when you are just starting out. No need to pronounce a complicated food name. Just point and say, Quiero esto.
Say it. Quiero esto. Quiero esto.
And if you already know the food name, you can swap esto for the name. Quiero una pizza. Quiero el pollo. Same structure. Very easy.
This one is very important if you do not eat meat or if you want to leave something out of your dish.
Sin carne, por favor. Without meat, please. Sin means without. Carne means meat. You can swap the word after sin for anything. Sin cebolla means without onion. Sin queso means without cheese. The structure stays exactly the same.
Repeat. Sin carne, por favor.
Sin carne, por favor.
Simple and super useful. Spanish speakers will understand you right away and will do their best to help.
We are halfway through, and you are already doing great. If this is helping you, do us a small favor and subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. We put out new episodes every week, and every single one is made for learners exactly like you.
Leave a like as well. It helps more people find us and start learning Spanish the same way you are right now.
All right, 5 more phrases. Let us keep going.
You sit down and you are thirsty. This is the simplest way to ask for water.
¿Tiene agua? Do you have water? Tiene means do you have. Agua means water. 2 words and a question mark. That is all. You can also use this structure to ask about other things. ¿Tiene pan? Do you have bread? ¿Tiene café? Do you have coffee?
Repeat. Tiene agua. Tiene agua.
Valley short, very clear, works perfectly every time.
The food arrives. You take your first bite. It is amazing. Here is how you express that in Spanish.
Está muy rico. It is very tasty. Está means it is. Muy means very. Rico means tasty or delicious. 3 simple words and you will make everyone around you smile.
Say it like you mean it. Está muy rico. Está muy rico.
You can also just say rico with a smile and a nod, and it works just as well. Spanish speakers will love the effort.
You finished your drink. You want another one? Here is the easiest way to ask.
Otro, por favor. Another one, please. Otro means another one. Por favor means please. That is it. You can use this for drinks, for bread, for anything. Otro café, por favor. Another coffee, please. Otra agua, por favor. Another water, please.
Repeat. Otro, por favor. Otro, por favor.
Short, simple, and very easy to remember.
The meal is done. It was incredible. Now you need to pay. This is one of the most important phrases in this whole episode.
La cuenta, por favor. The check, please. La cuenta means the check or the bill. Por favor means please. Just say it with a small hand gesture toward the waiter and it will be understood immediately.
Repeat. La cuenta, por favor. La cuenta, por favor.
This one you will use every single time you eat out in a Spanish-speaking country. Lock it in.
And your final phrase. This is how you leave the restaurant feeling like a local.
Muy bueno. Gracias. Very good. Thank you. Muy bueno means very good. Gracias means thank you. Short, warm, and genuine. You say this as you leave, and it leaves a beautiful impression on everyone.
Say it. Muy bueno. Gracias. Muy bueno. Gracias.
Those 2 little phrases show respect, gratitude, and kindness. And in Spanish culture, that matters more than anything.
All right, final recap. I will say it in English. You say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Go! A table, please.
Una mesa, por favor.
The menu, please.
La carta, por favor.
What is this?
¿Qué es esto?
I want this.
Quiero esto.
Without meat, please.
Sin carne, por favor.
Do you have water?
¿Tiene agua?
It is very tasty.
Está muy rico.
Another one, please.
Otro, por favor.
The check, please.
La cuenta, por favor.
Very good. Thank you.
Muy bueno. Gracias.
Here is what I want you to remember from today. You do not need perfect Spanish. You do not need to sound like a native speaker. You just need a few simple phrases and the courage to try. That is honestly all it takes.
When you walk into a restaurant in Spain or Mexico or anywhere in the Spanish-speaking world and you try even just a little, people will open up to you. They will smile. They will help. They will appreciate you so much for making the effort.
So here is your challenge today. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence using any phrase from this episode. It can be as simple as quiero esto or la cuenta, por favor. Just write something. Show us you were here.
We read every single comment, every one, and we would love to see yours down there.
If this episode helped you even a little, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe, leave a like, and share this with one person who is trying to learn Spanish. It truly means everything to us.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.